Alright, well, here I've got the 1/16 scale Traxxas Slash, 4-wheel drive, this one. Probably don't anyway. And then over here, I've got the Adventure Force Metal Racer. It's like $15 at Walmart. It doesn't work anymore. I bought two, and it has parts from different ones. That's why it has red and yellow. Bro, can you not? Like, seriously. Anyway, it doesn't work anymore. I think the wheel hex broke on here as well, so it's like, oh my gosh, that's loud. It's wiggly and only one wheel spins. I had the battery out for safety reasons, but I zip tied it, and I'm gonna zip tie it to the back of that and drive it around real crazy and see if it breaks. So yeah. I guess that's all. I still have the bigger battery jankily zip tied in there. Jankily, what the heck? Yeah, so we're gonna see how good that goes. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm just gonna attach this right here. Here we go. They're now attached. This is probably gonna be really crazy and just way too much, but oh, it works. It works pretty good. That's definitely the fastest that yellow one's ever gone. I think the top speed on that is about that much, if that. Now it's a lot more. It kind of just spins the tires the whole way because it's dragging it, but yeah. Ding! I saw something fly off over here. Let me see what it is. Okay, that's just trash. Dang. Oh, it's not driving straight. Did the battery come off already? Yeah, it's not driving straight. I think it's okay. It's not. Oh, okay, I see what happened. The zip tie got around the wheel. What the heck? Alright, there we go. That should be good. Clouds looking mad ominous. Oh, what was that? Okay, that's just trash in the yard. Or driveway. Dang! Oh, I think a wheel came off. Yep. Alright. That's the first damage. It does not like pulling it, I've noticed that. Like, watch. It's just... I think we're stuck, guys. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Much of dust. Bro, it's just launching rocks. Okay, I'm gonna have to get out of here. Oh my gosh. If I give slack, will it move? It doesn't. So even if that RC car wasn't on there, it's still stuck. Dang. Okay. We're just gonna do that. That entire time you can see there's just deep tire marks. Oh my gosh. The dust is crazy. I'm gonna go up the road. I'm not sure what that noise is. I'm pretty sure it's just a zip tie. Okay. Oh, this dirt. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. I mean, it's still doing it, but whatever. Alright, well, I'm gonna go up the road real quick. Alright, we made it down here. I had to use the flash to scare off some dogs because they were chasing me. But we're here. See, I can go really fast and pull this and see what happens. I can't believe the wheel lighter broke off, but yeah. Let's go. Yeah, it's actually really hard to drive with one hand. I'm doing it like this so that my finger can reach right here. It's a bit of a weird setup that I got, but it works. Dang! Bro. I kind of expected the zip tie to break by now, but I guess they're... Dang! Oh my gosh. It's just body slamming it over and over and over. The battery's still in too. Yeah, I do have to be careful because it does kind of swing and like pull the back out. But working pretty good though. Except for when that happens. Bro, I just got a freaking mosquito bite in my hand. My hand looking mad dirty right now. Alright, well. Honestly, I'm really surprised with how well it's doing. Or how well the Slash is doing. But at the same time, I am kind of impressed that I said suppressed. Oh gosh. Anyway, I'm kind of impressed of how strong this car is too. I mean, it only a wheel. That's it. All the tires are crooked, but the tires are just falling off the rims. They can just be put back. So, pretty impressive on both sides. I love how much dust it just kicks up every time. It just spins so much every single time you launch. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Dang! Okay, that's gonna be a cool slow-mo shot. my gosh, that was crazy. You could really just see it go, it just falls. It's crazy. Wow. Oh, this is the best thing I've ever bought. It just keeps yanking it over. Like, seriously, how is it letting this car bully it so bad? I'll end up pulling out a hinge pin if I'm not careful, though. But look how fast this... It's like, I'm just barely... I love this thing. What are y'all doing? Sorry, let me stop. But man, I will say this is the first hybrid grade RC car I've ever had. I'm used to that type of stuff, so this is amazing to me. I wonder if it can carry you through the grass. Bro, look at it. Okay, not really. It can't really do it that good. I mean, I never got stuck. So that's a plus. Alright, so I pulled off the zip ties. So now, that's still on there, so that kind of sucks. But I'm just going to move this to the middle of the road and we're just going to slam right into it. Bro, what the heck?